Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Interactions on rainy days. Good morning. Good morning. 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 It's raining today. It's raining today. It's really coming down. It's really coming down. Did you bring an umbrella? Did you bring an umbrella? Of course. Of course. That was close. That was close. Were you going to forget? Were you going to forget? I remembered at the last minute. I remembered at the last minute. That's a relief. That's a relief. It's pretty windy, too. It's pretty windy, too. My umbrella might blow away. My umbrella might blow away. My shoes got wet. My shoes got wet. It happens on rainy days. It happens on rainy days. Is the train late? Is the train late? Just a little late. Just a little late. Will we make it on time? Will we make it on time? We should be fine. We should be fine. Will it clear up? Will it clear up? That's what the forecast says. That's what the forecast says. Let's do the laundry tomorrow. Let's do the laundry tomorrow. That's a better idea. That's a better idea. Rainy days make me sleepy. Rainy days make me sleepy. Me too. Me too. I want some hot coffee. I want some hot coffee. Let's go get some. Let's go get some. The cafe nearby? The cafe nearby? That sounds perfect. That sounds perfect. The rain is getting lighter. The rain is getting lighter. Let's go now. Let's go now. Watch your step. Watch your step. Thanks. Thanks. Glad we stayed mostly dry. Glad we stayed mostly dry. Me too. Me too. We made it. We made it. It's nice and warm. It's nice and warm. Rainy days aren't so bad. Rainy days aren't so bad. Once in a while. Once in a while. This coffee is great. This coffee is great. It warms you up. It warms you up. Ready to head home? Ready to head home? Let's go. Let's go. It might stop soon. It might stop soon. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. I had fun. I had fun. So did I. So did I. Let's go out again. Let's go out again. Definitely. Definitely. See you later. See you later. Get home safe. Get home safe. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.